a few examples on ratio problems and bar and block models 1. And the directions are telling us a factory makes shirts in the ratio of 1 to 3 to 3 to 1 for the sizes of small, medium, large, and extra large respectively. So the question is asking us, what is the ratio of small shirts to the total number of shirts? So what you basically do is the total number of shirts. So you basically add 1 plus 3 plus, we have 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1. We add them up and we have a total of 8 shirts. And how many small shirts do we have? We have 1. So the ratio would be 1 to 8 or 1 over 8. As this would be our final answer for this. Okay, so our next question is asking us, for each 1,000 shirts made, how many of them are sizes small, medium, large, and extra large? Hint: draw a block model with 8 blocks for the different kinds of shirts and then set the total number of shirts to 1,000. So we're going to make our block model. So we got to make 8 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, how many smalls do we have out of these blocks? We have 1 small. How many medium shirts do we have? So we have 3. And for large we have 3 as well, so we have 3 L's. And for extra large we only have 1. Now this is equivalent to altogether this is 1,000. We have 1,000 number of shirts. Now to figure out 1 block, we must divide 1,000 by 8. So we have to divide, and we write it out like this. 8 goes into 10 1 times. 8 times 1 is 8. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Bring down to 0. 8 goes into 20 2 times. 8 times 2 is 16. So 20 minus 16 is 4. Bring down to 0. 8 goes into 40 5 times. So 1 block equals to 125 t-shirts or shirts, whatever you want to call it. Now we just have to figure out each certain size. For small we have 1 block. So 1 block we already know is equals to 125 shirts. So for small we have 125 shirts. For medium we have 3 blocks. So we have to multiply 125 by 3. So we do it right here for the mediums. So 5 times 3 is 15, carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6, plus the 1 is 7. 3 times 1 is 3. So for medium we have 375 shirts. And then for large we have 3 blocks. So we would get the same results as like for medium. So for large we have 375 shirts. And we have 1 XL block. So XL. So we know that 1 block equals 125. So XL equals to 125 shirts. And when you add up all these shirts together, you should get 1,000. So let's now move on to a few exercise problems so we understand the concept. What are we doing here?